This is a demonstration on how to use the large Brady printer to print out lots of Brady labels at once. So use the PC next to the large Brady printer on level 3. Open up a web page. You will need musterer. If you want to double check what plate you're using that came through in the task request system, or if you wish to create a plate made up of all the mouse strains and numbers that the researcher has given you. Use this icon here to create a plate. So once you've done that, go to the databases website. It should be in the drop down list in Firefox. It's https://databases.apf.edu.au. You'll need to sign in at the corner here. Select the ANU. Put in your U number, Horace password. Up the top where it says go to the musterer extension. Here you'll find musterer barcode Brady export. Put in a plate number. Hopefully the research has given you this, otherwise you can make it yourself. Now you select row then column for blood and column then row for tissue samples like ear punches. It won't matter too much, it's just the order in which the labels come out. Open the file. Okay, now you want to save this. You can save it to a USB stick, or you can save it to the C drive, or you can save it to the U drive, wherever you wish. If you do want to use the U drive, you'll have to go into the computer, go to Tools, Map Network Drive. Now the M drive, which is where we have our shared directory, you'll just want to log on with your username, because undoubtedly somebody's used it before you. So if you click different username, you'll be able to put in your details there. Okay, then you'll be able to save it there if you wish. So File, Save As, you can go into the computer, M drive, Workgroups, John Curtin, ABS, there is a Brady folder there, which is a good place to use it. Save it there. Likewise, you could save it directly onto your desktop, onto this desktop of the PC next to the Brady printer. Okay. You can close that down now. You won't need this anymore. Go back to the desktop, click on Label Mark Plus, double click on that. You want to choose the middle one, use a template to create a new file. Okay. Now the template that you wish to use, again, somebody before you may have used something different. So show you again, click on Browse, go to the computer. On the C drive there is a Brady folder, which you'll find the musterer barcode template for the APF. It's also on that ABS Brady folder I showed you before when you mapped the network drive. Click on that, open. OK. Now we need to import the files from the spreadsheet we just saved. Tools, Import Data, simple. Instead of text, choose Excel. The data source, this is where you select the file, the Excel file you just saved. So whether you saved it on the M drive, in that Brady folder, or on the hard drive of this computer, you can find it there. Now, you can use any of these columns here depending on what samples you want. For example, ear. So all the different kinds of Brady samples are there. We'll select ear. Okay. And there you go. It's all populated. Now it's just a matter of printing them all out. File print, or you can select a certain range if you just want to click on one, whatever you want, however many. And if you have hundreds of them in there, if it's coming from one plate, you'll have a maximum actually of 96. And just click all print. Just do one, print. That's it. Close everything down when you're finished and turn off the computer. You don't have to save changes. Done.